Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2018 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, media hub, 2 USB-O, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.